In front of me is OPPO A15s, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So at first, just open the list of all contacts, pick the one that you would like to add this profile picture to, then select Edit Contact, and click on Add Photo. And now you can either take a photo or choose something from your gallery. I will pick something from my gallery. Let me go with Photos. For example, this one. Now you can crop it as only you want to. Tap on Done then, and click on Save. And that's it. As you can see, it has been already applied, and whenever Lily will be calling you, you will be able to see this profile picture at first. So that will be all. This is it. This is how you can personalize contacts. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.